So now we start with the problem on races. The problem is on linear race. We are at here now at Commonwealth Games. And what is the problem given with respect to Commonwealth Games? This is the 1 kilometer race that is in between these three people. Mahesh representing India, Shinju representing China, and Dinah Smith representing Australia. There are certain conditions that are given about for this linear race. So what is being said? In a 1 kilometer race, Mahesh can give Shinju a start of 40 meters. First, even before I start with the rest part of the question, what is the meaning of this? In a 1 kilometer race, Mahesh can give Shinju a start of 40 meters. So what do you mean by this? If Mahesh is here, say this is your Mahesh, and Mahesh is standing right at the start, he is giving Shinju a start of 40 meters, which means Shinju is already standing 40 meters ahead of Mahesh. So if this is your Mahesh, he will be going a total of what? 1 kilometer, which is 1000 meters. He will be running 1000 meters in a race. Then can you tell me how much is Shinju running in the race? How much is Shinju running? Shinju is running what? Mahesh has given Shinju a start of 40 meters. See, if you can see this, he's given a Shinju a start of 40 meters. So when Mahesh is running 1000 meters, Shinju is running 1000 minus 40, which is nothing but 960 meters. Because he already had a start of 40 meters. Okay, that is the meaning of the statement which is given to us here right now. So I'll keep it here now. What we have understood about this. Let's keep this 1 kilometer here and Mahesh is here and Shinju is here. What else is given to me now? Mahesh can give Dinah a start of 64 meters. So what is the meaning of this now? If this is a 1 kilometer, or if we can say Mahesh is here and Mahesh is going 1000 meters, which is the race, or 1 kilometer, then Dinah is where? Dinah is standing here. Dinah is 64 meters ahead of Mahesh. So if I am saying in the entire race, Mahesh is running for 1000 meters, Dinah will run how much? Dinah is already 64 meters ahead of Mahesh. So this is your Dinah, who is 64 meters ahead of Mahesh. So how much will Dinah run in this case? Dinah will run 1000 minus 64, which is nothing but, which comes out to be 1000 minus 64, which comes out to be 936 meters. Correct? Okay, that is the relationship which is given to us right now in this problem. So what do we understand from this? First, just reading this two statement, what do I understand? This is your Mahesh, this is your Shinju, and this is your Dinah. In a race, when Mahesh is running 1000 meters, Shinju is running what? 1000 minus 40, which is 960 meters. And Dinah is running 1000 minus 64, which is 936 meters. That is a relationship which is given to us. So what do we understand from this? This Shinju will run 96% of what Mahesh has run. Why? Because Shinju is running 960 as compared to Mahesh, who is running 1000. So Shinju is running 96%. You can say 96% of what Mahesh is running. Similarly, Dinah, you can say, is what? Dinah is running 936 as compared to Mahesh, who is running 1000. So Dinah is running what percentage? Dinah is running 93.6% of what Mahesh is running. So I have comparison of Shinju with Mahesh, and I have comparison of Dinah with Mahesh. But what is the question asking me? Question is asking me, how many meters start can Shinju give to Dinah? So if there is a race which is only in between your Shinju and Dinah, then what will happen in a race? Then what is a comparison of Shinju and Dinah? So let's see, come here, let's analyze this. Shinju over Dinah. So in a 1000 meter race, what is happening? Shinju is running 960 and Dinah is running 936. So when Shinju is going 960, what is Dinah going? Dinah is going 936. So I need to just compare both of them right now with each other, not with Mahesh. With Mahesh, I already know their comparison. I'm just comparing them with each other. So when Dinah runs 936, Shinju runs 960. So 936 is what percent of 960 is something that I want to know right now. So let's just check it. What will that come out to be? If you just cut it, this will go by 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 0. What will it go? Now let's just cut this. What will this turn out to be? So 312 is what percent of 320? Let's just check this. So this is just 8 less than 320. If you can see, this is just 8 less than 320, right? 8 less than. Now 8 is what percent of 320? 32 is the 10% of 320. So what can you say about this? 8 will be what? 8 is nothing but 1/4 of 32. 1/4 of, it means 1/4 of 10. 1/4 of 10 is nothing but 2.5. So this is just 2.5% less than this, correct? If it is 2.5, which means 312 is what percent of 320? It is just 2.5% less. So if you take out 2.5 from 100, it comes out to be 97.5. Correct? It comes out to be 97.5. So 312 is 97.5% of 320, which means Dyna runs 97.5% of what Shinju runs. So if I am saying that the race is of 1000 meter and Shinju is running 1000 meters, Dyna will run how much? Dyna will run 975. Right? Because Dyna will run 97.5% of what Shinju is running. And Shinju is running what? 1000 meters. So what is 97.5% of 1000? Okay, that comes out to be 975, which means the question is asking how many meters start can Shinju give to Dyna? How many meters start can Shinju give to Dyna? Shinju will give a start of 25 meters. This is your understanding, right? Now it's a 1000 meter race, so Shinju is going 1000, correct? Because Mahesh is out of this race, so Shinju is going 1000. And what do you understand from this? Dyna is going 975 because Shinju is giving Dyna a start of 25. So Dyna is only going now 975 meters, where your Shinju is going complete 1000 meters. So Shinju gave a start of what? 25 meters to Dyna. 25 meters to Dyna. And that's the answer to our question. 25 meters start will your Shinju give to Dyna. So that's how you analyze the linear races, by comparing the percentage of what the other person will run as compared to the first person, and eventually you will reach at your answer.